how to search for a specific message on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the message icon on the top right of your screen and further, go ahead and tap on the individual's username where you want to search a specific message. Now, go ahead and tap on their profile name on top and further, you will see the search option. Tap on that and further tap on the search bar and search for the keyword that you are looking forward to. Further, tap on the search option, and with this, you will be able to view all the messages with that particular keyword. You can simply go ahead and tap on the specific message you want to see in brief, and you will be able to view that particular message. So, this is how you can search for a specific message on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.